I pinched myself somewhere. Ah. Welcome to the channel again. So in today's video, we are we are sorting gearboxes. So there's one that is faulty and one that is, let's say, it's better. So we are sorting them and see and use one and keep one. So this is how the faulty one looks like. You can't see really the problem with it. You have to open the insides. So we are just swapping it. Remove it from this car and remove the one in that one and put it here. That's basically it for this video. So it's a fairly big job. So Peter the mechanic is helping me remove that gearbox. He's the one who has removed that one. So my work today is assisting him do the job, and maybe do like remove a propeller, the propeller shaft. No, and that's the job. I've not yet graduated to removing a gearbox. It's fairly a big job for me, so I need a helper. Yes, so enjoy the video. So as Peter was removing the faulty gearbox, I was busy removing the prop shaft from the good gearbox that we are going to fit, so that to make his work easier. So to remove the prop shaft, there were only three nuts and bolts. So when you undo that, you are able to just pull the propeller from the gearbox. It's finally out. For those of you who don't know how a gearbox looks like, this one is the faulty one. So yes. So this is where the release bearing goes, and the pressure plate and the clutch comes in here. So yeah, it squeaks when you go into fifth gear. If you know the work of this, you can comment. I don't know the work of that. Or maybe it's something, a gear sensor or something. I don't know. So this is the pressure plate. So that gearbox bolts in here. Yeah. So now we proceeded to removing the good gearbox. So here we are undoing the gearbox. So you need to undo the bolts that hold it into place, which are 3 at the top, 2 that bolt the starter into place, and 3 at the bottom. And also you need to know that you need to support the engine before undoing all the bolts, because the engine tends to lean to the downside. So you need to support the engine first before undoing all the bolts. So we proceeded to confirming if the gearboxes are the same, and after confirming that they were the same, we proceeded to bolting everything up: the clutch, the starter motor, and all the bolts and the gear linkages, so that we can test if the gearbox works. We are good. Yes, engage mechanic. What's remaining is a test right now and see how it behaves on the road. Yes. I need some gloves. Finish.